Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download apps without password or how to download app without Apple ID. So if you want to download any application or update app on your iPhone using the App Store and then you don't want to use your password or your Face ID, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first you want to do here is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to screen time and then click on that. Once you select the screen time, you want to scroll down the screen time page and make sure your screen time is turned on if this is turned off. Then once turned on screen time, locate and click on content and privacy restrictions. If content and privacy restrictions is disabled just like this, the first thing to do here is turn it on. This is where you'll be able to configure or customize how the App Store works, whether to require Face ID or to require password each time you want to get an application. Then here, locate and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then it should say require password. Set this to do not require. See that? I set this to do not require. Then when next I want to download an application on my iPhone, the password is not going to be required. Now, once you select that, you can now hit the buy button. Apparently, when next you want to download any application on your iPhone or you want to update an application on your iPhone, then your iPhone will no longer require your password or your Face ID to download and install the application. So that is basically what you just need to turn on or turn off when you want to download apps without password or Face ID on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.